Welcome back to UXBot Studio, your go-to place to learn UI, UX in a simple, practical way. Today's question: what's the difference between UI and UX? Let's understand it with real-life examples. UI means user interface, everything the user sees and touches on a screen. Think buttons, icons, colors, fonts, and layout. It's about the look and feel. In the Paytm app, the clean white background, blue icons, and rounded buttons are all UI. UX means user experience, how the user feels while using a product. Is it easy to use? Smooth? Frustration-free? That's UX. Ordering food on Zomato, finding a restaurant, applying a coupon, checking out quickly, that's good UX. If the flow is confusing, even with good visuals, it's bad UX. In a restaurant, UI is the menu design and table setup. UX is the service and overall experience. Beautiful design with bad experience? Or smooth experience but poor visuals? Both feel incomplete. You need both. UI equals how it looks. UX equals how it works. Instagram is a good example. UI, smooth, clean, visual design. UX, easy to navigate and use. When both UI and UX are great, users love the product. Now you know the difference between UI and UX. Subscribe to UXBot Studio for beginner-friendly content, real examples, and design tools.